Shrair in Springfield, joined by the one, the only attorney, Susan Mielnikowski. We're talking about disinheritance. There's a lot of rumors and myths. We're going to dispel one of those today. There's a rumor out there that if you're going to disinherit someone, you give them $1.
I've had many clients come and say that I have to give this person $1 so they don't inherit, but in fact that's not true. In the laws of Massachusetts, if you wanted to have somebody excluded from your will, all you need to do is identify that person by name very clearly and state that you do not intend that they take under your will, and it will be successful. As long as you identify them, there are certain people who are entitled to certain aspects of your estate if they're not named. They're called pretermitted heirs. You should consult an attorney.
As always.
Yes, tell them who you want to disinherit and make sure it's done properly through them.
And there is an exception, though. Your spouse is an exception to this rule.
Spouse is an exception. You can disinherit the spouse through the will, but you cannot take away their right to waive the will and take a spousal forced share of your estate. It's not a lot. It's $25,000 plus a certain life estate and a percentage, much less than they would get if you didn't have a will. But you can't remove that right from a spouse.
And no matter who you are, whether you die with a penny or millions and millions of dollars, everybody should have a will.
Absolutely.
However, you see all these forms you can download online, these legal documents, but in your estimation, and I think in a lot of people at home, it's important to consult with a lawyer no matter what. Now, why is that?
It is. The form may be right, but you wouldn't know. And the silly things I talked about for $1, for those sorts of things, you wouldn't know whether you use it properly or not. So although the forms might be good, we always suggest you have a guided tour, an attorney to help you with it.
Someone like Susan Mielnikowski. Thank
That's
you so
right.
much for stopping by today. That's your Legal Minute. And for more information, call 413-781-0750 or just visit them online, CooleyShrair.com.